Hi, I want table for one, please.
Say, hi, I want a table for one, please.
Hello. Right this way.
Hello, can I see menu, please?
Better. Hello, can I see the menu, please?
Hi, I take water.
Say, hi, I take a glass of water, please.
Here's your water.
Hello, what is today's special?
Say, hello, what is today's special?
Today we have grilled salmon.
Hi, I want salad.
Say, hi, I want a salad, please.
Hello, what you recommend?
Better, hello, what do you recommend?
The pasta is very popular. Hi, I have chicken rice.
Say, hi, I have chicken with rice, please.
Hello, I need extra sauce.
Say, hello, I need some extra sauce, please.
Hi, my friend take pizza.
It's, hi, my friend takes a pizza.
Does your friend have any allergies?
Hello, does this dish has nuts?
Say, hello, does this dish have nuts?
Yes, it contains nuts.
Hi, I change order to fish.
Better, hi, I change my order to fish, please.
Hello, I want ice cream chocolate.
Say, hello, I want chocolate ice cream, please.
We have chocolate or vanilla.
Hi, can have bill?
Better, hi, can I have the bill, please?
Hello, I pay cash.
Say, hello, I pay with cash.
Hi, I pay card.
Hi, I pay my card.
Hello, food very good.
Say, hello, the food is very good. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
Hi, I take food home.
Better, hi, can I take this food home, please?
Hello, more water, please.
Good.
Here you go.
Hi, where restroom is?
Say, hi, where's the restroom?
Goodbye, thank you.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. See you next time.